Hello, Class 5. Welcome back to Environmental Education class. Today our topic will be Safety Measures During Disasters. Lesson 13, page 61. Does anyone know what disaster is? Disaster chu engti na nge kan thriem. Disaster chu van duai na ra phlak tak lo thleng hi ania. Tulaya chuan rik rum thil te kan tia kan thriat lok lem lowa chiat na sa tak lo thleng hi disaster ania. Tichuan safety measures during disasters ani chuan rik rum thila enga machina kan himna tur chu kan zir tur ani. Now let's read. Disasters are of many shapes and sizes. They just happen. There is not much we can do to avoid them, but there are things we can do to protect ourselves and our homes. In this way, we can reduce the risk of disasters. Reducing the risk is called mitigation. Let us learn more about mitigation. Chiat rup na lo then hian chiat na thlen dan mel mang le a khoi chiat zawlam hi inang lo tak tak te ani hloma veile khata chiat na van duaina alo thleng thuta nun phung pa nga ya ti boya nun tam tak hloin oma hliam tam tak an bok thina heng chiat rup na lo thleng tur tam tak hi chu pum pel thei lo thleng ngei tur te an nia ama ero chu keima ani le kan in te kan him theina na kan lo ti lok thei kan nei ani chuta tak chuan chiat na lo thleng tur lo thon om na chu kan lo ti nep thei don ani lo om na lo ti nep na chu mitigation an tia chiat na lo thleng tur laka kan him na tur mitigation chungchang kan zirang. Fire. Follow these guidelines during fire. Number 1. Pour water over the fire. However, water does not help to put out electric fire or if petrol, kerosene or other oil catches fire. Fire chu kang mei ania. Kang mei alo chua chuan heng kai hruai na te hi kan zom tur aniang pakhat na kang mei lo chua chuan engin nge kan thel thin tlangpuin tui kan mang thin tiro mei kang chu tuin kan leiang amai ro chu kan hriat tur chu electric kan ten petrol te khonwar tui te ba ka oil kan ti heng tel te hriak te akan reng chuan tuin ti mi tum lo tur ani tuya ti mi tum chuan a aina sign al thei ani. Number 2. Call the fire brigade at the earliest. Panhina chuan arang thayang berin kang thel motor ko uvat tur ani. Number 3. In case of fire where water does not help, put sand over it. Pathumna chuan tuya thel mi thei lo chi renga chuan lei emo vut a the tur ani. Number 4. In case a person's clothes catch fire, cover the person with a thick dirty blanket or carpet. Tu emo kan bul hnai mi thomno hak lai lo kang ta se chi ai boya au vak ringot lo tur ani. Intin nge kan tiang kan mu thei nai bera dari emo komol emo carpet kan zonganga chu chuan kan tuam tur ani. Number 5. If your own clothes catch fire, lie down at once and put out the flames by rolling up in a blanket, rug or overcoat, leaving the head uncovered. Kan thomno hak lai lo kang ve thung ta se chuata kan muvatang blanket emo rug chu zamper chuat pha kan tiang chi kha emo overcoat kor chung lian mangin lukhu tel lovin kan in zialanga ti chuan kan in zial chuan mei al chu kan ti hlung mei don ani. Number 6. It is good to keep a fire extinguisher handy in the house, car, offices and other public places. This will put out fire quickly and prevent damage. Fire extinguisher hi kan in baka motora te office te le mundang dang mi pui van tlang muna da hi atha ema mei kang na sa tur le thil tam tak che tur laka min veng thei ani. Now let's learn about earthquakes. Earthquakes are the shaking, rolling or sudden shock of the earth's surface. Earthquakes can be felt over large areas. Although they usually last for less than 1 minute, earthquakes cannot be predicted. Earthquake chu kan hrevekanga lir nging tina ania. Lir nging hi chu leipon lam in soi. Ron nging emo voile khata ngor dot phut zok na hi ania. Angi na hi hun zau takte ani thin na chungin reilo te chung minute khat ai reilo second claim te chau ani thina. Tunlai khovel thiam na changkang taka po hian lir ngin hun le hun tur anat dan tur le pumpel dan tur hi soilok thei alani lo. Lir nging kan hriat ho hi tectonic earthquake ania. Leichung ril thuk taka hian leilung chu anin siam remin anin sing sa thina chu chuan lir nging ron siam ta a angong po ana sa thei hle ani. You can notice an earthquake by the gentle shaking of the ground. You may notice hanging plants swaying or object wobbling on shelf. Sometimes you may hear a low rumbling noise or feel a sharp jolt. Lirang hin chuan leiche der kan hria anga, plant in khai te anin then anga, chuara kan thil da te po anin soi der thin ani. Achang chuan ring vak lowa thil ri deuh dur kan hria anga, mihring emaw thil in soi dot te po chiang takin kan hre thei thin ani. The intensity of an earthquake can be measured. One measurement is called the Richter scale. Earthquakes below 4.0 on the Richter scale usually do not cause damage, and earthquakes below 2.0 usually can't be felt. Earthquakes over 5.0 on the scale can cause damage. A magnitude 6.0 earthquake is considered strong, and magnitude 7.0 is a major earthquake. Lir hing nat dan hi te thei ani a. Chumite na chu Richter scale an tia. Lirang hina Richter scale a 4.0 hnuai lamani chuan atlang puin chiat na nasa athen vak ngai lova. 2.0 hnuai lamani phei chuan hriat tham ani ngai lo. Amai ro chu 5.0 chung lamani chuan thil ti chiat tam taka nei thina. 6.0 chin chu lir hing chak emo na taka soi thin ania. 7.0 ani to phei chuan lir hing na saber anga soi thin ani. The most important thing to remember during an earthquake is to drop, cover and hold on. So remember to drop to the floor and get under something for cover and hold on during the shaking. Lirang hina kan hriat reng Dawrpui mo tak chu drop, cover le hold on hi ani. Khoi hmuna po omila he thumal pathum hi apoi mo hle. Drop ani chuan lir alo ngin tanin leya bo tur tla chu alo tur tina ni chu. Cover omzia chu dokan hnuaya emo om tur. Thil hnuai hi erem chan lo chuan bungbua oma thil thlak tur ve nan luchunga kutda tur. Thil tla thei bula om lo tur ani chu. Hold on chu dokan hnuaya om hian a kevona a tul chuan che son thei tur in rin tur. Lir hing laia la om ber chu in atanga tlan chu tum hi ania. Thil tla thei tam taka oma heng hi a hla om hle ani. Number 1. If you are indoors during an earthquake, keep calm and take cover under a heavy table or desk. Stay away from glass, windows or anything that could fall, like a bookcase. Lir hing lain in chunga kan omani chuan chi ai boi mei lovin iril ru ti fim la do kan hnuaya om vat la dar thalang emo tukver emo thil tla thei entir nan le khabuda na chuar bul hnaya om tum lo turani.
And then Ian finally just shared the cover your mouth with your shirt. Everybody okay?
Number 2. If you are outdoors, move away from buildings, street lights and utility wires. Pona kan omlaya alo ngin chuan in le street light bulba ka hrui in zom nok bulate omlo ram turani. Number 3. If you are in a crowded public place, do not rush for the doors. Everyone will be doing that. Instead, take cover under something heavy and stay away from things that could fall on you. Stay calm. Do not get in an elevator during an earthquake. Mipui tamna hmuna kan omlaya alo ngin chuan man mo taka kong kharpan tum lo turani. Achan chu midang zong po in kong kharpan vek an tum dona. In nek buai na le chiat zong na thlen thei ani. Chu ai chuan thil tlai na tlak lo na tur che in dokan ema hnuaya biruk tumla ani lo point eng emo. Man ro cha tak mangin ilu ikhu anga thil tla thei bula om lo itum bokang ril ru ti chi ai buai mei lovin ti fim tla dang che tin lirang hing lai reng chuan elevator lift a chuan tum lo reng turani achan chu current te lo che thina current om lo chuan kan tang mai don ani. Number 4. After an earthquake, be prepared for aftershocks. Aftershocks are follow-up earthquakes that are usually smaller than the first one. They are dangerous because they can cause things that are weakened in the first earthquake to fall down. Lirang hin zo nu chuan la thamuan em lo tur. Ang hing non le thayani. Aftershocks le thaya kanin ring le photang. Aftershock chu lirang hin zo nu rei lo te a ai na savak lovin achangin ron hing le thina. Na lem lo zok ni ma sela a lo em thina. Na sa zok anga alan chang te po omani. Achan chu ang hing masak zok khan thil then khat te chu chim si lovin der thong takin chim emot lamai thei turin a siam to a. Chung te chu aftershock sa chun an ron chim le thaya. Chu chu a lo em thina a ma ain chiat na po thlen na sa zok thayani. Number 5. Make sure you are wearing shoes after an earthquake. There may be broken glass on the ground and inside your home. Lirang hin zo vele phei khok bun nge yang che. Achan chu dar thlang ke themte kanin le avela om theya. Chung chu ra pala la omani. Number 6. If you are scared, share your fears with an adult. Earthquakes can be scary, but remember, they only last for a few seconds. Ihlo chuan inhaya om puitling tu emober ne na ihlo thu soiro. Lirnging chu hlau kan om lawang tiro. A lo om reng bokani. Ma se kan thriat reng tur chu rei ta kan hing ngai lo. Second rei lo te ba kan ngai lo ti kan threng donia. Tsunami. Now let us learn more about tsunami. A tsunami is a series of huge waves that happen after an undersea disturbance, such as an earthquake or volcanic eruption. The waves travel in all directions from the area of disturbance, much like the ripples that happen after throwing rock into the water. As the big wave approach shallow waters along the coast, they grow to a great height and smash into the shore. These waves can be very high. They can cause a lot of destruction on the shore. Tsunami chu tlang kang wang emo tuipui hnuai lir hing wang alo omania. Chung tlang kang le tui hnuai lir hing chuan tui hnuai a chuan buai na nasatak an ron siam ta a. Tui phone lian tak in dot zut mei tuipui a chuan a ron thlena. Tui a lung kan vom thlaka tui phone pheneu neu a ron in siam ang chi in tui phone nasatak chuan kiltin mei a pan ta ro mei ani. Ti chuan tui phone chuan tuipui kam thuk lo lai. Pon lang lam chu an ron pan bua. Tui phone ron kal thui zel chu sang taka in siam zelin. Tui pui kam vaw kam lam chu an ron nor ta chiam meya. Tui phone chak le sang taka in vor chuan. Vaw kam lama chuan chiat na nasatak aron thlen ta thin ani. A small tsunami at one beach can be a giant wave a few miles away. Do not let the small size of one wave make you forget how dangerous tsunamis are. The next wave could be bigger. Sometimes the height of these tsunamis can be up to 15 meters or more, which causes great destruction along the seashore. If you notice any sudden and unusual receding of the shoreline, get away as soon as possible. When you see a tsunami, it is too late to escape. Stay away until you hear the all clear from officials. A tsunami is not a single wave. It is a series of waves, and the danger may not be over when you think it is. Tsunami nep tak angalang po hi meltam tak atanga tuifon local chuan wave sang le chak tak aron siam thina. Chu wang chuan tuifon te tak te eng vakma ni lo tura kan ngai awang ngot hian tsunami chu ahlo om lo anga ngai ngot tura ni lo ani. Achan chu anua tuifon local le chun na sataka ni theya. Achang chuan tsunami san zong te chu meter so panga ai sang te ani theya. Tuipui kam vela chuan na satakin chiat na thlen thin ani. Tuipui kam chu dan pa ngai lo ang taka aron kam thut chuan arang thayang ber in sa seng hal turania. So tsunami kan tia kan mu man to chuan in sa seng na turin rin a in kan lo tlai man thayani. Ho tu ten in kim a fel 5 vek to a him to all clear anon ti ma chu in thiar filima tuin haya om hri lo turani. Tsunami chu tuifon pakhat local ang mei kha ani lowa tuifon ronin dot in zui zut ani awangin irin ai na hlom don ani. Flood. During rainy season, the level of water in rivers start rising. This results in river water coming into villages and cities situated at the bank of a river. Sometimes ocean wave also may come on shore and cause flood. Flooding may be only a few inches of water or it may cover a house to the rooftop. Floods cause heavy losses to our crops also. Here are a few things which can be done to reduce the risk of flood. Flood chu tui lian tina ania. Fur ro surna satlai chuan lui tui te chuan an lo chim sang zela. Ti chuan lui kam te chu ron chim chho zel in lui kam a kho om te chu nga chuan tui chu ron lut te thin ani. A chang chuan tui fin ria da tui phone na satak te po chu waw kama aron in check lu ta. Chu chuan tui lian aron siam bok thin ani. Tui lian kan ti chu a then chu tui inches tlem te chawin a chim te an nia. A then ero chu sang tak ni in chung thleng te poina chim pil thin ani. Tin tui lian chuan kan bu le thlai chin ten na satakin ati chebok thina. Point claim te tui lian lo thleng thei laga kan lo in ven dan tur kan zirang. Number 1. Move to a raised place like a hill or to the upper floors of a building. You should also move important things to a higher place. Tui lo len chuan mun sang lama kalvat kan tumang entian lan tlang emo mual pong om chuan chulam chu kan pan vatang. Kan thil poimo tak tak nei te po chulai mun sang lama chuan da kan tum don ani. Number 2. Stay away from flood water. It may be contaminated. Tui lo len chuan tui chu alo bol hloa a thiang hlim lo thina nat na hri te om thei ani. Chuwang chuan kan kalsan tur ani tui hnaya kan om lo tur ani tui kha a bol hlo ti hriat tur ani. Number 3. Do not walk through moving water. It can knock you off your feet. If you must walk through water, walk where the water is not moving. Use a stick to test the ground in front of you. Tui luanga chuan ke in kaltum lo tur ani. A chan chu tui luang chuan aron phet thlu thei che ni in hliam pala hlom em em a. Tui kan kal nge angai ani ro chuan tui chelai lo kan zonga. Chuta chuan kal sham kan tum don ani a. Tin tui len chuan chuata hmu thei lo thin ani. Kan kal na lai tura chuan khuar te lo om pal theya in ti pal theina te lo om thei ni. Chumi laka kan in ven nan chuan tiang kan kenganga tiang chuan kan kal na lai tur chu kan hol masanga chu chuan nasa takin min veng thei don ani. Number 4. Stay away from power lines that are on the ground. You could be electrocuted. Tui lo len chuan electric hrui te tui nena ein sik chuan tuya chuan karen a kal theya. Min man chuan min ti hlum thei awangin a hlom em em ani. Chuwang chuan electric hrui emo electric ban bula om lo tur ani. Number 5. Always keep your battery powered radio with you so you know what is happening. Tui len chuan current te internet te a che theya. Chanchin in hriat po na zong te po a chiat thei vek awangin radio battery mang hi kol ring a tha a. Radio atang chuan chanchin thar kan hriat thei ba ka tui lian chungchanga in zirti na te puan thin ania atang kai em thin ani. Number 6. If you are scared, share your fears with an adult. Floods can be scary, but remember, the water always goes away. Tui lian chu ihlo chuan in haya om puitling tu emo ber hna ihlo thu hril ro. Tui lian chu ahlo om thei ani ma se kan hriat reng tu chu tui ron in chim sang chu asang hlen ngai lo eng emo huna chuan akam le ngei don ti ha kan hriat ngai ni. That's all from our lesson. Kan zirba ga hian chiat na lo thleng thei tam tak entir nan thlipui te leimin te le adang tam tak alo mang tam tak hi chu mi hring te kan film khur lo wang le hlareng chunga kan ti lui kan in siam chop ania chung chu man made disaster antia kan zirchina chuan kan rama chuan kang mei le lir king te hi in rin lok na om lova lo thleng thu thei reng chiat na nasatak thlen thei te ania. Mizoram chu kan hriat angin tlang ramani awangin tsunami le tui lian te ro chu kan tuar ve lem lo tura ngai la kang mei le lir hing alo thlen ma emo alo thlen lai le anua in ven dan tur le om dan tur kan soitak te kha hlareng ila apoimo em chu chi ai lovin kan omanga kan ril ru kan ti fi manga kan himna tur ngei tua vat kha ani ti hria in kan zirtak te kha zom kan tum ngei don nia.